I'm John Crestani, and this is your invitation to join in an exclusive training this week where I'm going to show you step by step how I've been able to create a passive automated online income so that I can use my time to do anything I want, such as spend time with my family, travel the world, and party in exotic locations. I used to be broke, beardless, and work corporate job, which I absolutely hated, to the point where I am now, where I work very few hours per week running an internet business, and my income supports me to do the things I love, such as, driving Lamborghinis or traveling the world, partying in exotic locations, spending time with my friends, and indulging in my hobbies, and truly living a life that I believe everyone deserves to live. Now, it hasn't just been me that's been able to do this. It's been countless of my other students have been able to earn very massive incomes online. In fact, 4 of my students have become millionaires applying the same methods that you're going to learn in this free training that you'll be able to register for in just a second.
He's actually one of the smartest internet marketers I know.
Yeah, John's definitely a really smart dude and super focused.
I would recommend it to anybody that's looking to get into affiliate marketing. It gives you a great base to start with. It has a whole team set up to help you.
All of these students of mine have been able to do this, again, without employees, without knowing any programming, without much time or money to invest in their businesses, but they've been able to create a life of freedom for themselves, be able to live a life that I love. I now have the time to enjoy sunsets, spend time with my family, race Lamborghinis in the desert, go skiing or kite surfing, and just enjoy life with my friends and family the way humans were meant to live. In this training, I'll show you my 3-step system that I use to eliminate risk and instability and create an internet business that requires 0 programming and very little time or money investment. I invite you to come to this webinar, this live training this week. There should be a link in the top right if you're on mobile and the bottom left if you're on desktop computer. I look forward to seeing you in the next step.